Okay, so our first concept of English speaking is do does plus action first. What is it called and when do we use it? It is one of the most commonly used verb tenses in English that is used to describe actions that happens regularly, facts, journals, habits, truths, or routines. Means we use this concept when we talk about any action but in present and there is no regularity. Means there is no continuity. For example, I take food, we go to market, they read a book, ओके जैसे मैं खाना खाता हूँ वो बाजार जाते हैं हम बुक पढ़ते हैं मीन्स देर इज एन एक्शन इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट बट देर इज नो कंटिन्यूटी यानी जब कोई एक्शन होता है बट इट इज हैपनिंग इन प्रेजेंट विदाउट एनी कंटिन्यूटी यानी कोई भी एक्शन जब प्रेजेंट में हो रहा हो बट उसमें कोई भी कंटिन्यूटी ना हो देन वी यूज डू डज प्लस एक्शन फर्स्ट okay. So now we talk about do and does. When do we use do and when do we use does? As in the previous class, I explained you that we talk to the eight person. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and Mr. Singh. Okay, we learn these all eight persons in sequence. Okay, because this will help us in all the concepts. So we use do with these four: I, we, you, and they. And we use does with these four: he, she, it, and Mr. Singh. Okay. So आई वी यू डे के साथ डू का यूज करते हैं एंड ही शी इट और कोई भी नेम हो उसके साथ हम डज का यूज करते हैं ओके सो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ डू एंड डज यानी डू किसके साथ आएगा और डज किसके साथ आएगा अब ये यूज हो गया सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट फर्स्ट पार्ट लाइक आई टोल्ड यू वी हैव 6 ways of speaking how to talk positive negative question positive question negative reason question positive and reason question negative okay so ये तो हो गया हमारा कि डू डज किसके साथ आता है नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट पार्ट पॉजिटिव वे यानी जब हम बात करते हैं पॉजिटिव वे ओके जैसे आई वी यू दे के साथ डू आएगा एंड ही शी इट मिस्टर सिंह के साथ डज आएगा so now we'll talk about the first way positive way for example I have written I take food and he takes food okay these all are the example of positive way okay as I told you then we use do with I we you then does with he she it and Mr. Singh but I don't use here I के साथ मैंने यहाँ पे अभी do का यूज नहीं किया और he के साथ मैंने does का यूज नहीं किया but the reason is because the meaning of do is करना and here verb यानी action जो होता है हमारा वो हमारा do का वर्क करता है so in फर्स्ट यानी जिनके साथ डू का यूज होता है वहां पे कुछ नहीं आएगा बट एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट वी डोंट यूज डू इन पॉजिटिव वे कि डू हम पॉजिटिव वे में यूज नहीं करते हैं सो जैसे हमारा डज है तो डज में से अगर हम डू को निकाल लेते हैं तो हमारे पास क्या बचता है ई एस ओके सो वी एड एस और ई एस विद एक्शन फर्स्ट ओके सो फर्स्ट में अफर्मेटिव वे में यानी पॉजिटिव वे में when we talk about do or does we don't use do but we use s or es with those with whom we use does okay he she it या सिंगुलर कोई भी नेम हो रहा है देन उनके साथ जिनके साथ हम does का यूज करते हैं तो पॉजिटिव वे में हम उसका s और es सेक्शन फर्स्ट में यूज कर लेते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव रिटन इज टेक्स okay that is the positive so we'll practice of it I take food we take food you take food they take food he takes food she takes food It takes food. Mr. Singh takes food. Repeat again. I take food, we take food, you take food, they take food, he takes food, she takes food, it takes food, Mr. Singh takes food. Now we'll random. I take food, he takes food, you take food, she takes food, it takes food, they take food, Mr. Singh takes food. Okay? So we'll practice like this. इस तरह से हम practice करेंगे. Okay? The next way is negative way. We use not with, do and does. So that would be don't and doesn't. Okay. So in the negative way, we record we don't fly a kite and he doesn't fly a kite. Okay, that is negative. So we'll practice it. We don't fly a kite. You don't fly a kite. They don't fly a kite. He doesn't fly a kite. She doesn't fly a kite. It doesn't fly a kite. Mr. Singh doesn't fly a kite. I don't fly a kite. We don't fly a kite. You don't fly a kite. They don't fly a kite. He doesn't fly a kite. She doesn't fly a kite. It doesn't fly a kite. Mr. Singh doesn't fly a kite. We'll random it. I I don't fly a kite. He doesn't fly a kite. We don't fly a kite. She doesn't fly a kite. You don't fly a kite. They don't fly a kite. It doesn't fly a kite. Mr. Singh doesn't fly a kite. ओके विल प्रैक्टिस लाइक दिस इस तरह से हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे इन सबको रैंडमाइज करके ओके सो टू वेज आर क्लियर पॉजिटिव वे एंड द नेगेटिव वे नाउ we'll talk about the third question positive so in question positive firstly we'll use doers we write do then whom to talk like do you then action go to market does she go to market that is question positive okay so as you have seen that we use do or does before whom to talk do you go to market and does she go to market as I told you then we'll use only three things to talk the first one is action the second one is whom to talk and the third one is how to talk so there are all three things action whom to talk and how to talk okay so now we'll practice it do I go to market do we go to market do you go to market do they go to market does he go to market does she go to market does it go to market does Mr. Singh go to market do I go to market does he go to market does she go to market do we go to market do you go to market does it go to market does Mr. Singh go to market okay we'll random it and then practice it like this okay so we'll practice it all these three way positive negative and question positive thank you